You love. It's not for me to say. You love.
Hey nail fam, I hope that you are well. So Madam Glam was kind enough to send me over another package of their nail products. So you and I are going to go ahead and open it up and see what amazing products they have sent me. And as you know, Madam Glam is certified vegan, 21 free formula, and they are also cruelty free. So as you can see here, we have a variety of stunning gel polishes here. I'm going to show you the names of each of the products that's in this box, and then we are going to do some quick swatching. Now, if you are interested in any of these products, I do have a discount code. It is not an affiliate or a commission link. It is just a discount code for you to use to be able to save on the cost of these gel polishes. I do remember a subscriber commenting about the price, and I just wanted to point it out. These are top quality gel polishes. The bottles are larger than the typical cheaper alternatives. These are 15 ml. And because of the opacity, you can get away with one coat or maybe even two coats, which means the product is still going to last you longer when you have to use possibly 3 or more coats of a cheaper alternative. I just wanted to quickly point that out. I am very satisfied with the quality, the opacity of these gel polishes. Okay, so we are on the last product here, and now we're going to go ahead and do some swatches. I have all of my coffin swatch sticks here. You can get these off of Shein. And now let's go in with each of the gel polishes. So this first one is called Keep the Change. So this one is a brown cat eye gel polish, and look at how stunning that color is. You can definitely see that there is some magnetic pieces in here. And I'm holding the brush like this because I want you to see, like, this isn't dripping, this isn't dropping anywhere. It's going on smoothly on my swatch stick. Now, when you order this, it does not automatically come with a cat eye magnetic wand, so you will need to add that separately if you want to create some beautiful cat eye kind of designs on this gel polish. Look at that stunning color, absolutely gorgeous. So I am going to take my magnetic wand here that I have and just kind of quickly demonstrate to you how the magnetic pieces in this gel polish kind of move, and you can create your own little fun designs. Look at that. Absolutely beautiful. This color would be perfect for a cheetah print or even like one of those tortoise kind of designs people were doing back in the Christmas season. All right, moving on to our next color here. This is the Perfect White, and I had to get Perfect White. I saw Unpolished by Aggie. She did the entire Perfect collection from Madam Glam. I absolutely want all of the colors. Look at this white. This is like the whitest white I've ever used on my channel and have in my collection. One coat coverage. You don't need anything else. Look at that. And this is a clear swatch stick. You cannot see anything. How stunning and beautiful is that? Absolutely stunning colors. One thing about Madam Glam, like the pigmentation, the opacity, it is there. Another perfect color from the Perfect collection, and this is the black. The blackest black I've ever used on my channel. Like this, look at that. You're not seeing anything on this coffin stick. Nothing. There's no streaking. There's no jelly patches like some blacks can give. Look at how smooth and stunning that is. They are not overestimating that product. They are absolutely perfect. So this is Bubble Bath, and this was a part of the Las Vegas collection, I believe, that was launched in February. So these are on the holographic side, and they are so pretty. They have a beautiful shimmer to them, going on smoothly once again. And I believe I have 2 of the gel polishes that were launched in this Vegas collection. They are so pretty. Look at that. Absolutely gorgeous. I'm so happy with the colors that they sent me over. So this one, I believe, is from the Ho 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 collection that was back in December, I believe. This one's called Sticky Toffee, and this is also holographic, but there's a different shift to this one for some reason. It's definitely, both of them are holographic, but the Vegas one seems to be more bright, vibrant colors, and whereas this one is definitely more on the shimmery, neutral colors, you know? I thought this was absolutely stunning, and this would go really nice with those cat eye gels as well if you wanted to do like a marble design. They are so pretty. All right, so Sugar, this is also a part of that Vegas collection with the holographics, and this one is definitely giving me some kind of silvery kind of vibes. Such a pretty color. Now, with these holographic colors, you're not going to appreciate them as is. I am going to be showing you them in flash light, and then you're going to see the magic of these gorgeous colors. And let me tell you, they are absolutely stunning. One coat coverage, that is all you need. You do not need to waste these products. These are absolutely stunning. So we're going to move on to Stardust, and this is one of the very first, I think I do have another glitter, but this is a glitter sequence gel. There's some holographic hexagons in here. They are so pretty, and there's like a nice fine gold glitter in here. So we have some fine glitter, and then we have some hexagons in here, and I thought these were absolutely beautiful. It was a pretty glitter mix. I'm absolutely impressed with their glitters because those hexagon pieces, I didn't feel any texture on the nails. When I put some top coat on top of this, I didn't feel any texture, so they were laying down really flat. Now, white lace gave me a nail-gasm. When I popped it out, I was like, this looked very purple, but it says white lace. And when I glide that on to this swatch stick, guys, it just transforms into this milky white, pearlescent kind of gel polish, giving me a little bit of translucency here. Wedding bells, milk bath, here I come. This color, like they need all the laces. I need all the laces. If they have more laces on the website, I want all of the laces. Pink lace, blue lace, look at that. You can't appreciate the color right now. Wait for the flash. I'm going to show you a flash. Now, rubber base is something very new to me. I was very curious when I saw this on their website. So I was very intrigued by what a rubber base is. I was like, what exactly is this? I did a little bit of research. Apparently, this is going to give you some strength, but it's also going to give you a little bit of flexibility. So for those of us that might have like weak nails, you're going to apply this rubber base to your nail, and it's not going to make your nail too hard, but it is going to add some strength. So when you put hard products on a weak nail, you have the chance of breaking them even more. So rubber base just gives you that right amount of flexibility. And guys, this is going on like base coat. Like it's literally what it says. It's a base coat with a little bit more flexibility like a rubber would give you. And look how stunning is that? Milk bath again. Like any nail that you want to have like a white background, this is it. I'm really impressed. And there are several different colors in the rubber base. All right, so here's all of the products here, all swatched and cured. Here's how they look in the natural light. Absolutely beautiful. Here's how they look in flash. Wait for it. Look at that magic. Look at how stunning they look in flash. Absolutely gorgeous. All right, now let's move on to the nail design that I'm going to be doing today. I have my 2XL stilettos that I ordered from AliExpress. Going to be applying these to my nail. I've already used my Melody Susie drill to kind of file around the cuticle area to make it a little thin. And now I'm going to go in with this primer from Bellavina, and I'm going to apply it to the inside base area of the nails. So we did receive a peel off base coat, which I am over the moon about. I am so excited to finally be trying their peel off base coat. So apparently this is just like base coat, except it just allows you to pop these nails back off. And I am so happy about that because, you know, you guys, you know, I usually just do my little foil glue and then I put, you know, base coat on top of that. So now that I have a proper peel off base coat, I'm going to test it out and see how well it works. So to apply these nails, I am going to be using the press-on glue from Bellavina, and these nails adhered much better than the square nails because they are much flatter. The square nails that I have are a little bit curved, so sometimes I was getting a lot of bubbles, but as you can see here, no bubbles. They went on really well. So I'm definitely going to be using this press-on glue more from Bellavina. I love it. Now, we're just going to take my Melody Susie drill. I'm just going to kind of file around the areas where they might have been just a little bit of spillage, and to make the nail look a little bit flush with my natural nails. Once I am done using my drill, then I'm going to take my buffer and I'm just going to buff the entire nails to remove that surface shine, and then I'm going to take a wipe and just rub them down with a little bit of isopropyl alcohol. Once I am done, now I'm going to get ready to apply a thin layer of base coat, my Madam Glam base coat, over the entire nail. Then we're going to cure it under the UV lamp for 30 seconds. So for this Bougie St. Patrick nail set, I'm going to go in with a very neutral color. And as you know, Pivot is one of my favoriteest neutral colors from Madam Glam so far. So I'm going to go in with a very thin layer of Pivot over all of the nails and then cure them under my UV lamp for an additional 30 seconds. Here's how all the nails are looking with just one coat. I'm satisfied with how that looks. And now I'm going to grab white lace and I'm going to go ahead and do my funky cow print onto these nails. So for this cow print, it is going to be a little bit of Irish colors in here. So I'm going to be doing some white, I'm going to be doing some green, and I'm also going to be doing some orange. And as you know, it is St. Patrick's Day coming up next week. So I'm going to throw in some gold just to kind of, add that element of the lucky coins, the gold at the end of the rainbow, etc. So you can see that white lace is kind of, like, it's milky. It's not a strong white. So eventually I do go in with a little bit of perfect white just to make sure that there is some white popping onto this abstract cow print nail design. So here's the green that I am using. I have shown this in a previous Madam Glam video, so if you need to check out those videos, feel free to do so. This one is called Amazonian Dream, and it is very much a neon green, so it is perfect for this kind of Irish themed nail set that I have going on. So now I'm going to grab Stardust, which is that beautiful glitter mix that has the hexagon pieces in there. And we're just going to add a splash of this gold glitter mix to the nails. And once we have the gel polishes on, we're going to give them a cure under the UV lamp for 30 seconds. Now I wanted to draw some shamrocks. Is it shamrock or clover leaf? 4-leaf clover, I think it's called. And I wanted to use a darker green just because I already had this neon green on here already. So I'm going to take this line art gel from Bellavina, and I'm going to attempt to draw a 4-leaf clover onto this nail. I need a little bit more practice though. I possibly could have just used some heart glitter, because I have some heart glitters that one of my subscribers mentioned, Marilyn. But I am going to be doing a St. Patrick's nail design anyway, so I just thought I'd save that for another time. So I just wanted this one to be kind of little, a little bougie. She a little ghetto, Okay, so my shamrock looking a little floral there. Looking like a little green flower, but that's okay. Learn, trust the process. We're gonna get better at we're gonna get better at it. So I'm gonna take my base coat here, not base coat, top coat, sorry. And I'm done with this nail for the minute. So I'm gonna put some top coat over this entire nail and give it a final cure for 30 seconds. Then we're gonna move on to the next nails. Now, for the index finger as well as my ring finger, I'm gonna go in with this gorgeous glitter mix again. And we're going to be doing a U French onto this nail design. And yes, you can do a French on a stiletto nail. Just take your time and kind of form your edges. And this was so easy. Like I didn't need to use a line art brush or anything. I felt like they looked perfectly fine. The lines looked nice and crispy. And once you are done, you're going to give that another cure under your UV lamp for 30 seconds. Now for my middle finger, we are going to do another cow print, but instead of using the Amazonian Dream Green that we used earlier, we're going to go in with the Bahama Mama, which is this kind of neon, bright, vibrant orange. So again, we're going to go in with some white lace, then we're going to go in with the orange, and then we're going to add a splash of that beautiful gold glitter mix. All right, so moving on to the pinky finger, we are going to be doing a marble. So I'm going to take that green, that white, as well as the orange, which are the colors of the Irish flag. And we're just going to go ahead and do a little abstract marble onto the pinky finger. I've already added some blooming gel to the entire nail. And now I'm just going to smear this on and let it do its own kind of magic. All right, here is how the nails are looking. I did go ahead and draw a little 3-leaf clover on my index finger, and then for my ring finger, I'm gonna go in and add in some rhinestones, and I'm also gonna put like a dollar kind of gold charm onto this nail, because at the end of this bougie rainbow is a bag of money. We're not fooling around with the gold coins. We need the real dollar bills. And I was trying to remember how to dollar sign. I was like, which way the dollar sign is going? Because that's how long I haven't used dollars. I've been using euros for almost the last 5 years. So anyway, here's how the nails turned out. What do you think of my little bougie St. Patrick's Day nails? Here's how they look in the natural light. Absolutely gorgeous. I love the glitter. The glitter gel polish is definitely my favorite. All right, guys, thank you again to Madam Glam for sending me this package over. I'm very appreciative, and thank you so much to you guys for watching this video. Again, feel free to use my discount code if you are interested, and I will see you in the next one.